Did you hear about the ITEC Expo? I'm currently at the Show Musayarna Center here in Abuja at the Expo organized by Afrinex West Africa Limited. Now, I'll be taking you around the exhibition to see what tech innovations are available. Stick around.
As I arrived at the center, a picture lover like myself, the first thing I spotted was, of course, the backdrop. I did the needful and I proceeded to the registration center. After registration, I couldn't just wait to go to the pavilion and see what innovations they have available for us. Okay, so
my name is Somila
innovation here.
I'm the founder and CEO of Winlock Holdings, and I like to call myself a patriotic entrepreneur. Because even though I'm British, I've decided to stay in Nigeria to solve problems through entrepreneurship. So what we have here is one of the companies that we have, Winlock Solar. And Winlock Solar is the leading solar company in Nigeria. We started 5 years ago, initially from financing solar for micro businesses. We gained expertise in that. We raised over $3 million doing that. And then now that the market has fully opened up, we've gone into product distribution, as well as financing up to 50 million naira with very low interest rates, right? So our mission is to be a leading solar brand, top 3 actually, across Africa by 2032. So these are my colleagues. They are doing very well. They are supporting me on this mission. What we have here is our flagship product. It's a tubular battery, 200 amp. We pride ourselves in affordable quality, right? Because if you do top-notch quality in Nigeria, nobody will buy it. If you do very low quality in Nigeria, you'll get a bad name. So we've been able to identify the right quality for the right price. And then here, we're in partnership with a company called ITEC. ITEC is a top 5 lithium-ion manufacturer in China. In fact, they just raised $700 million last year. They love us so much to the point that they are going to be branding this in our name now. This is a 200-watt solar system. You can power your TV, light bulb, and fan. Just 350,000. Thank you.
Ready to start manufacturing.
Produced in your country and by a countryman. You know what I'm saying?
Concept Limited. We're an environmental engineering company. We are into sewage management. Our solution is able to convert waste into biogas and water. So every organic waste, any waste generated from plants, animal or man, can be converted into biogas and water. With our solution, you won't need to evacuate your sewage or sludge anymore. You can generate power from the biogas. You can use the biogas for cooking, and of course the water that is also coming out from the treatment plants. Like you can see, this is biogas there. So we can connect it from here into your generator through a hose and through a gas converter, or we convert from here to your kitchen directly and you can cook with it. So this is construction. It's a completely RRR solution that is reduce, reuse and recycle. You can see that we've gotten back the space, and at the end of the day we lay back the interlock, you got back your space, you are reusing your space. From one cow you can get 650 cubic meter of biogas. In such a case like this, the system is completely underground, and that's why we say you can reuse the space. For example, this is an 8-unit estate in Lagos, and after installation, they get back their space. So this is an installation in Lagos too, where the water is now being reused for the green area. It contains nitrogen and phosphorus, so it's more like a liquid, clean, clear fertilizer. It doesn't smell. If not, I'm sure the owner of this house would have got to my neck, you understand? So we convert the waste into water, which you can now reuse for your greenhouse. Now this saves you cost of energy, pumping water into your tank and now reusing it. So we are saving the environment by using nutrient-rich water, as against using pure water. Now pure water is actually not good for plants. So you need nutrient-rich water, which you can get from your sewage. Yeah. This is just a few weeks later. You can see the green, the same building is looking delicious, looking very green now. And this was done just after COVID in 2020. So today they've not spent ₦1 on evacuation. It comes with the almost zero running costs.
So is there maintenance? That's maintenance like?
That's why I said it's almost zero maintenance expense. When we have removed power, the only time we have power is when you want to reuse either the water or the gas. Or the system itself does not have any automation. And once you remove oxygen or remove pumps from your system, then the system can last. In fact, the lifespan is about 40 years, so there's really no maintenance.
You actually make use of machinery for this?
We do not use machines for treatments. It's purely a biological process. So microorganisms called methanogen, almost like the way your stomach works. So they continue to break down the sludge into water and gas.
So it works on its own?
It works on its own.
So it doesn't need electricity, it doesn't need solar?
At all. That's why it's energy efficient. It's a green solution. This is climate friendly. We are not releasing methane into the atmosphere. And of course, instead you can use methane to cook.
What's the cost like? For instance, if you're coming to my house,
the smallest size we have is a 10 cubic meter, and it's about 4 million naira.
It's what?
A 10 cubic meter. That's the size in volume, and it's about 4 million naira. But that same size can serve 5 houses. So
okay, let's say you want to make for, let's say hotels. Let's say you want to make for a place like Transcorp or Sheraton. How much would it cost?
But that we need to do, of course, site inspections, get to know how many rooms they have. This is the deal for real estate developers. Somebody earlier on, he has 140 units, and each house will contribute about 300,000. As against if we're doing it for only one house for 4 million naira. So look at the cost savings. So more units get more savings. This means that a cluster of houses can come together. So yourself and myself can share. 5 houses can share a 10 cubic. And at the end of the day, we're not having to pay 4 million naira each. We're having to pay maybe 800,000 naira each. So it's a economically friendly solution. It's environmentally friendly because what is coming out is treated water. We're not discharging untreated effluent. And like I said, you can reuse the effluent. The effluent can be used for your green area. You can actually containerize it and sell as fertilizer. That's another business on its own. The biogas that's coming out of it, you can also.
Are you based in Lagos, Abuja?
We have an office in Abuja. Our office is in Katampe. We have installations in Abuja. Currently, we have 69 venue estates in Mabuchi. We've done Soul Reality in Life Camp. We've done Soul Reality in Karasana. We've done Modern Shelter in Lukogoma. We're currently working on another modern shelter in Life Camp. We've done another modern shelter in Asobila. So, of course, we're a delight to and a solution to real estate development because it's cost effective. So it takes away a truck coming into your estate. You can imagine the noise and the pollution having a truck to come and take out your truck. And this is the deal. When they come to your place and they pick up the waste, where do they take it to? They take it to the water bottle. And they are discharging untreated sewage into our water and it comes back to us as cholera. So with this, you are sure you are treating your waste on site. Yes, sir. You are treating your waste on site and you are reusing the benefit from your waste. I would like to say again, you're getting 2 benefits from your feces. You're getting biogas, you're getting clean water, which you can reuse either for cooking or for your farm or your green area within your facility. So for a place like Transcorp, of course, one of the benefits hotels or public places get that to reduce their LPG consumption by more than 50%. You get that? So more than 50%, the gas can be connected to their kitchen and they can cook, of course, with the gas generated from their feces. And not just feces, even animal waste. Say you have a farm, the cow dung, the pig dung, all of this can be introduced into the biodigester. Now if you have even 50 pigs, we have a solution. One of our solutions here, a man had 50 pigs and he was paying people to pick up the pig dung. But we did an installation and now he's using the gas to smoke fish. Yes, sir. So let me go there quickly. This is in a bank. Now this is Principal supermarket, and this is what is coming out from. This is what's coming out from the toilet, and after treatment, this is how clean the water is.
So they sell this.
So you can actually containerize this as fertilizer and sell. It's way cheaper than buying a chemical-based fertilizer. Installation, you man now said he now introduced mixed farming into the system where he now doing fish farming and smoking his fish from the gas generator.
So, what's the name of your company?
We are not like one company, so we are like NIRA, is Nigerian Internet Registration Association. Nigerian Internet Registration Association.
Okay.
So we are in charge of .ng in Nigeria. So if you know .com and you know .org, so .ng itself is for Nigeria. So that's what we do. So everybody you see here now in these booths, so we sell it to you because you can't buy directly to the NIRA. You have to buy from registrars. So one of it is Trophy Hosts. So Trophy Hosts is one of the registrars. So you can buy your .com.ng, your .ng for small money, 3,000, 5,000 for hosting and the likes. So like on this platform now, Trophy Hosts now, you can get your domain and hosting, buy your hosts, then you can now create your site yourself for free by your own self. You don't have to even call a developer or something. Just edit, choose a design, edit the logo, put your text. Wow, you have a website like that so fast. Just 3 steps. Buy domain, add hosting, do it yourself.
Okay, where should I buy from you?
Number one, like I said before, we're trying to promote .ng brand itself. It's cheaper to begin with. If you want to buy from abroad, those .com, you can buy one domain for .com as 30,000, 25,000. But for .ng, you can buy at 3,000, 9,000, so cheap, and it does not change the price. And it's yearly, 1 year for that small money. Our hosting does not have any downtime, and it's secure, it's fast, and it's unlimited traffic. So we don't pay your bandwidth for the hosting on Trophy Hosts. So when you visit trophyhost.com, like trophyhost.com, you can check the domain here. Then you can come here, type what you want to buy. So if I want to buy, let me say my domain, you type it here. You can say .ng. So if you have something like this, you just click on search. Yeah, so when you click search, it's going to load the domain to see if it's available for you to buy. Then so from there you can choose your hosting per year. So hosting is where you host your websites. So this 15,000 for 3 websites, 25,000 to unlock.
It also has another feature which you can use password. Once it's programmed, you can use password to access your door.
How about these other ones? These are also smart.
These are also smart locks. Where you use password and fingerprint to access it. This is video doorbell.
Video doorbell.
This will alert a visitor that someone is at the door.
Okay.
Yeah. Solar camera. You get 360 degrees.
How much is this camera for?
This one is about 75,000 naira.
Is that the last price?
Yeah, 75,000. Then this is smart gate control. You can use your phone to open your gate. Or there's a sensor attached to the vehicle. Once the vehicle is approaching the gate, it's used to unlock the gate.
Okay, so let's see the other table. Hey, good morning. That's what we have here. Is this something I'm watching your house?
Yeah, it's not normal in the sense that it has a camera attached to it, which can video and do recording at the same time.
Oh, so where's the camera now? Where's the camera?
The camera is attached. That's a lens somewhere. Yeah.
Okay. So is this
Spine pump.
How much is it?
This one is 95,000.
How about the key there, the car key?
And it's a spine tagging. This program you can use your physical view.
You're going to what?
Your phone, your view.
Okay.
It's a security gadget. This one is spyglass. That's space for SD card, which can do video and audio at the same time.
Great. How much is this glasses for?
This one is 95,000.
5,000. What's the difference between this one and the other one there?
Now, the difference is this one can do video and audio. And it has space for SD card. while this doesn't have space for SD, cannot record, cannot video. It's for back view.
Back view.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see from behind.
Yeah, that's it. It's a video double.
Great. And
Smart locks.
smart locks again. You seem to have a lot of smart locks. I think. Thank you so much. Display is our 5G route. We have excellent experience on it. It comes with 3 different bandwidths, and so you can pick your preferred option.
ITEC stands for International Technology and Communication.
That's one of our main goals, and we have all we have an office here in
biggest
Abuja.
outdoor communications company in Nigeria, outdoor advertising. In every state, you see that billboards everywhere.
We're everywhere.
Both static billboards and electronic billboards. Thank you.
Thank you. In case you have any challenges concerning the network, you want to know the rights as a telecommunications subscriber. Recently, we've known all the MTN, they all have one unified short code that you can call in case you need to call your service provider. Call 300 across all telecom. So there's so many information. But above everything else, if you have a problem which one of those people have, for instance, maybe your tariff, ITEC, when it finishes faster than you think, you can call your customer.
In business and governance. So we're trying to encourage people to begin to embrace technology because it will help them to build wealth, in that it will make their operations more efficient, in that it will make them more productive, and also increase their yield for those that are into production of physical goods and products. Professionals are here, exchanging ideas, and practitioners are discussing the way forward, addressing their challenges, and offering solutions.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
This is where we draw the curtain for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.